In the sweltering heat of September 1950, a decisive moment loomed for the United Nations forces in the Korean War. The Communist North Korean People's Army, spearheaded by the Soviet-trained Kim Il-sung, had swept across the 38th parallel, capturing Seoul and pushing the United States and its allies to the brink of defeat. The situation was dire. The United Nations Command, led by General Douglas MacArthur, was in desperate need of a strategic victory to regain the initiative. MacArthur devised a bold plan, the Inchon Landing, a daring amphibious operation aimed at outflanking the North Koreans and recapturing the capital. The operation was shrouded in secrecy. U.S. troops, disguised as South Korean fishermen, boarded ships bound for Inchon, a heavily fortified port city on the Yellow Sea. The deception was crucial. The North Koreans were completely unaware of the impending assault. On September 15, under the cover of darkness, the U.S. 1st Marine Division stormed ashore at Inchon. The landing was met with fierce resistance, but the element of surprise proved invaluable. The Marines pushed through the initial defenses, and by dawn, they had established a beachhead. The North Koreans, caught off guard, were unable to mount a coherent defense. As the day wore on, more UN forces poured ashore, trapping the North Koreans between the invading forces and their own capital. The Communist forces began to crumble under the relentless onslaught. In the days that followed, the UN forces pushed north, recapturing key cities and driving the North Koreans back towards the Chinese border. The Inchon Landing had turned the tide of the war, providing the much-needed moral boost for the beleaguered UN forces. However, the victory came at a cost. The city of Inchon was left in ruins, and the campaign saw heavy casualties on both sides. But the Inchon Landing served as a testament to the resilience of the UN forces and the determination of General MacArthur. The Inchon Landing marked a turning point in the Korean War, demonstrating the power of bold strategic thinking and the indomitable spirit of the United Nations Command. The operation would go down in history as one of the most daring amphibious assaults in military history, a testament to the courage and determination of those who fought in the Korean War. The Inchon Landing, a daring gambit in the face of seemingly insurmountable odds, would forever be etched in the annals of history as a symbol of hope and resilience in the face of adversity.